So I got this 4 pack of inspirational stickers. They're reliable quality. They are you can personalize them and decorate them whichever way you want. So for example, I'm taking this one and sticking it on my laptop. There are wide ranges of uses you can use for it, and they're really durable. So this one I'm putting it on my water bottle, and as you know, since this is a water bottle, I will definitely have to wash it. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks really, really nice. And when I wash it, the quality doesn't fade away, it doesn't mess up, it doesn't peel off, and it stays. This is a one-time use sticker, so you can stick it wherever you want. You can stick it on books, on water, on skateboards, wherever you want, and they'll give the good message that you want to pass along and kind of inspire you throughout the day. I especially love how they look, and I absolutely love this for myself and my kids.